Hello planner lovelies, how are you guys? I'm doing well, and today I have a haul slash plan with me for you because my dear friend Anna Loves 22 opened a printable shop a little while ago, and it's called Love of Printables Co. And I'll have that link down below, but she sent me some goodies to share with you guys and for me to use in my planner. So I have a big old stack of stickers, but I just wanted to stick to what was from her shop. So let's go ahead and jump into this first cello bag here. Now she printed these all for me on premium matte, I believe, because I don't have a printer or a cutting machine, so I'm terrible, I know. But so she printed these for me and cut them for me to use. And first up we have the movie night stickers with the little tickets, and then the various little premiere, movie night, cinema, and feature film scripts, which are so cute. And then we have some very clean movie marquees. We have some of her unicorn themed glitter headers. Then I don't know what theme this was. Maybe this was more unicorn themed. And then this is mermaid. Oops, I just pulled sticker paper off. Oops. And then we have the other side of mermaid. And then this is Sonia's me time stickers, and there's Sonia in the bathtub getting a face mask and having a little bit of wine time and petty. And then this is the other sheet, which is shopping. I think this is Get Glam, and then this one is Relax. So those are all of her individual icon sheets that you can get. And then over here are a few kits. I don't know if these kits are in her shop currently, but, and she stuffed these bags, guys. So, Anna, thank you. I really appreciate it, guys. She's such a sweetheart. You definitely need to go check her out. We have collabed before. But let's jump into this kit here. This is called Rest-cation. We just have some very pretty pastels and darker colors. Good at naps. I need that t-shirt in real life. Here are your full boxes, some bows, flags, and a teardrop. We've got some decorative half boxes, quarter boxes, rounded half boxes, quarter labels, some like double dash boxes, a billet-doux, and some more bows. Tons of washi, another billet-doux, some more quarter boxes, another teardrop, and bottom washi. That's in 2 separate strips. Then we have some checklist, work labels, habit tracker, functional deco, some sidebar things, and then your alternate skin tone. And then this page is your date covers, glitter headers, your weekend banner, some deco that goes with the kit here, and another habit tracker. And then this kit is called Spring Plans, and spring is the time for plans. So this is very cute and country. Here's the full boxes, some half boxes. The same setup, bottom washies, sidebar stuff, headers, date covers, and weekend banner. So the kit that I'm going to use is Rest-cation because I have the day off. And we're going to go ahead and jump into this. So I will talk to you guys again at the end. Here we go. guys, so all done with pre-planning. It's a lot more sparse than I thought it was going to be. I thought I was going to have like grand plans this week, but nope. Definitely follow me over on Instagram. I will try very hard to post like I'm supposed to this week. But this is a fabulous kit. I love it so much. Here's what's left on the full box page. We have all these checklists, all this deco and headers and things, all these boxes, washi boxes, bill due, and all those too. So you get a lot for your money. She designs it, she gives you cut lines and everything, so you don't even have to like worry about it. The only thing I pulled in was this day off sticker, and that was from Sarah Elizabeth Prints. And I am just going to pull my old kit out of here, put this one back here for daily usage, and that's it. It's so sad. It was so quick, I feel like, but it's such a fabulous kit that it went down so easy. Everything I needed was there, almost. I mean, except for one sticker, so I can't wait to see how it turns out. Again, go over and check out Anna at aloves22 and her shop, Love of Printables Co. And yeah, tell her Amanda sent you, and just let her know that I love her. I know she's gonna watch this. Anna, I know you're watching this. I love the stickers. You did an amazing job. I love that you're like following your heart with your shop. And guys, again, please go check her out. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit that thumbs up button. Subscribe if you're not already. Go check out Anna. I'll have her link down below. And I will talk to you guys again real soon. Much love to all of you, and bye for now.